Get a jumpstart on everyday tasks with Microsoft Copilot, your everyday AI companion. It's ready to help you create, edit, ask, catch up, and understand just about anything. Let's see how Copilot works in Outlook. Say you don't have time to read long email threads. Select Summary by Copilot to catch up on the most important points. Copilot can also write emails from scratch. Select Draft with Copilot and share some guidance. Thank Mrs. Ramirez for my child's progress report and ask for a follow-up meeting. Let's change the tone to casual. And go. You can always edit it to make it sound more like you. Missed a long meeting in Microsoft Teams? Copilot can get you caught up fast. Select a meeting chat and recap. There's everything you need to stay in the know. Maybe you want some design support in PowerPoint. Add a new slide about best practices. Then, make it your own with another ask. Make the titles on all slides dark blue and change the font to Aptos. Nice. Perhaps you need some help with the report in Word. Add a concluding paragraph to sum up key ideas. Want to edit your result? Highlight some text and select Rewrite. And since you're always in control, you get to decide what to keep. These are just a few ways Copilot helps you achieve more every day. And if you need a bit more inspiration, just check out down here. You'll see all kinds of prompts you can ask. And save favorites for later. There are even more ideas and tips at the Copilot Lab website, like how to get the most out of your prompt. Explore what's possible with Copilot.